All right, we've got everything scrubbed down, we've got our pieces, and we're just going to go back to ground zero here, which is what I consider the guide rod and spring. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a couple of these patches, my hand, and I'm just going to wrap them around this spring. I'm going to kind of do it semi-tight, and then I'm just going to spin this spring through here. And we're almost there. All right. As you can see by the patch, we're only picking up this extra break free, but by picking up that break free, we're really going to, what the metal needed, the metal's already soaked up with the break free, and so by us wiping off the extra, it's going to really keep it from getting real gunked up when we start to go back out to the range, when we go plinking or whatever we're going to use the firearm for. So we're good with the spring. I'm going to set the spring down. I'm going to take those same two patches because they look good. I'm just going to flip it over. I'm going to do the same thing to the guide rod. I'm just going to wrap this patch over here. I'm just going to go to wiping this down in a vertical motion. And this is kind of the area, if you had to, or if I had to pick between the guide rod and the spring, this is the area where the black powder and the dirt really clings to. And so I try to dry this up about as much as I can. And we're going to spin this around just a little bit more. See what we got? Yeah, see, we pulled off a little bit of dirt and grime here. I'll flip it over on the clean side. See what happens? See, now we're pretty much only taking off break free. And you want to do that as many times as you personally need to or want to let you know that that guide rod is really clean and it's going to be in good shape for what you want. And I'm going to do a little bit more for me. And I didn't pull anything off that time, so that's going to be pretty good. And what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to set both of these items off to the side, and I'm going to get on, and we're going to clean and wipe down the barrel.